Yeah, let's see how this spot is in the summer. Yeah, maybe good, maybe not. Let's check this out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh yeah. Technically looks a lot of space. But there is, you know, there is water and you can't see what's underneath. I know in the winter there is there is a big hole. Need to first definitely check stuff out. Yeah, but the space is here. The space is here for sure. Can we... This looks pretty maybe. Don't have tires no more, man. Yeah, the handbrake at least works as well. Technically it's doable here. Technically it is. Everything is possible. I just need to check, do some little bit more exploration. Yeah, I need to be careful because in the winter these bad holes are pretty easy. Well, a little bit. But in the summer, man, in the summer it's pretty dangerous, I must say. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Where is this hole here? There. On foot, yeah, it looks pretty easy. But damn, in the reality, man, maybe not the best. Fucking hell. But it should be, yeah, man, the water in the holes makes everything much harder to diagnose. Nah, man, you see the open diff just makes your life very hard, man. Yeah, here you technically need to keep the outside line going. Oh, what the hell was that sound? Did he fuck up something? Yeah, man, technically, you know, this might fucking be. This might. And what is here? Can we? Ah, yeah. Don't go through this. Don't. And here, yeah. These holes, yeah, it makes this track really unfucking predictable. Damn, can't even turn easy. Here was some clipping point marked. Yes, and what the hell is there? Nothing there. It feels like quite possible. Can we try, man? damn, yeah, we need this on the window. We need this on the window, then we do turn around there and try the same thing again there. Do the roundabout. Do the setup a little bit better. There is hole. That's why I was a little bit scary about that. But in the first gear we can roll it. Yep, can we do it from the other side? Here we don't, here we don't know what's going on. Let's take it easy. Nah, second gear maybe not the best, but okay, let's see what's happening. Nah, second gear. Fucking our tires, we are like in the winter already. Let's check the oil levels, man. Damn. Yeah, in the winter this is way much easier. There is a lot of fucking obstacles and shit now. Yeah, you see this? You see this? This would be fucking tricky as hell. And here is the hole as well. Where do we? Yeah, I don't want to go in the big puddles. Fucking hell. I don't see nothing, man. And this is getting even bigger. Where this is not the smoothest here. Yeah, and there is a lot of shit as well. Yeah, well, if you start from here, maybe. Maybe you can do it. Need to be a little bit more brave, I guess. Yeah, that shit is ass. And where do we start? Nah. Fucking hell. And can we get through? Maybe we can. How fast can we go? wasn't that bad, yeah. The handbrake defo helps. Ay. Yeah, but in this asphalt, yeah, this is unexplored territory. It's a little bit scary. Yep. Nah. And there you go. Man, on camera I guess it's very hard to see what's the surface actually here. It's not the best in the winter, it's doable, but in winter it gets really boring really fast. That was something. Technically you can figure out, but damn, from all this space you can use such a little. Here we already don't have. Nice! We connected fucking everything, man. That's already mission accomplished, man. From this spot to get this out of it. Nice. Unusual configuration. Okay, alright. Yeah. We don't have no grip. No more grip, man. Can we do one more, connect everything? It's raining in. Now we don't have no tires. one last from this, and we should be good. Ooh. Nice, we are fucking rolling like crazy. I think that's enough.